Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the most expensive luxury cars in the world, the top expensive luxury cars in the world. I'm going to show you today, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon button for further notification. So you can see here the beautiful blue color car, and this is the Lamborghini car, 2020 Lamborghini. The price is 803,533 Canadian dollar plus HST and applicable taxes wherever it applies. So this is the beautiful metallic color, removable hardtop in gloss carbon fiber. It's an Italian brand founded and manufacturer of luxury cars. It was founded in 1963. So this brand is Italian. This manufacturer is Italian, and it was established in 1963. And this one is I'm showing you is Bentley. It's 2020 Bentley. The price is 487,779 Canadian dollars plus applicable taxes. So this is GT convertible. Bentley is a British manufacturer, maker of luxury cars and SUV. So this is the British manufacturer for Bentley. Beautiful, very elegant car, as you can see. Nice color, blue. Bentley is black. Very beautiful, very pretty cars. And this is I'm going to show you this. These were the latest models of 2020, and this one is Aston Martin Vantage. The price is 228,971 Canadian dollars plus applicable taxes. This is also a British independent manufacturer of luxury sports car, and it was founded in 1913. So British manufacturer, independent manufacturer, which makes the luxury and sports cars. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm showing you, this was the auto show, and they had the latest technology and latest models of 2020 luxury cars, most expensive cars of the world. If you like the video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon button for further notifications. And this is beautiful, majestic Rolls Royce. I'm going to show you right now. The price is 635,015 Canadian dollars plus taxes. Rolls Royce Cullinan Black Badge. This is the latest model of this beautiful luxury vehicle. As you can see, that's the logo. Very impressive, very majestic, beautiful vehicle. So this is a British luxury. Rolls-Royce is a British luxury automobile maker, and it's wholly owned, and it is a subsidiary of German group of BMW. So this is a British automobile maker, but it is a subsidiary of a German group BMW. This one is Lamborghini again, 345,938 Canadian dollars plus the applicable taxes. And this is founded in 1963, and it's an Italian brand manufacturer of luxury cars. Guys, I hope you like this video. I try to show you the best expensive cars. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.